One of the earliest of our heavy bombers, and still doing grand work carrying a worthy bomb load far into enemy territory, the Whitley made her name delivering pamphlets to the doorstep of the misguided Boche, and even took her mail bags as far as Italy. The earlier type, the Mark III with radial engines, is now one of the paratroop carrying planes. But this one, the Mark V with inline engines, has been carrying some of our newest and most devastating bombs and depositing them with nice precision on the Hun's daughter. Armament includes power-operated gun turrets, fore and aft, so the Whitley can look after herself all right. Now watch her on a turn and see what you get. The very thick-set appearance of the wings and the close-set inline engines give you a break here. Now the slab-sided fuselage and straight, clean underside. The Whitley's pretty easy, isn't she? The rectangular wings with blunt wingtips and slight taper to trailing edge. The rectangular tailplane, and you've still got her tied down. And again, you'll recognize the Whitley by those fins and rudders. Braced, set well in, and right on top of the tailplane. Whitley V, easy. And here's the Whitley V stopped in flight. Let's give her a thorough once-over. Top of fuselage, straight from cockpit, and level. Underside with slight taper to rear gun turret. See the nose-down effect of her. High, squared-off fins and rudders. In fact, just one mass of rectangles, and it's the Whitley. Voila! This is the moment. If you hesitate, it may be your last. The thick-set appearance of the wings. Dihedral from halfway. Inline engines set close into fuselage. But fins and rudders closer still. And it's the bracing you can see, not the tailplane, which is mounted low and doesn't show at all. It's the Whitley and British all right. In confirmation of all this, you've now got the very thick-set look of the wing and close-set engines. Looks the part, doesn't she? As she turns away, here come the rectangles. See those squared-off wings? With only slight taper towards blunt tips. She's a plane you'll get to know at a glance. Then, with wings well in mind, we can add the rectangle of fuselage